Let's look at the JSON extract parsing rule. So once again, as usual, JSON extract here. I just want to do a slightly different flow this time, just so you see an example of it, but new rule group. Down here, you can pick anyone you want, JSON extract. So JSON extract is a little bit more specific than the previous rules we've seen. Rather than moving arbitrary fields into other arbitrary fields, what it will do is it will take an existing JSON field from JSON data and it will pass it into one of the Coralogix metadata fields. There are only a few: category, class, method, severity, and thread ID. So it can move any JSON key into this field. Okay, there's a really nice use case for this. If severity is in a non-standard place, then you can move it into the Coralogix metadata field. So you want to have the severity in the log rather than have Coralogix kind of guess the severity. So how does that work? Let's say I want to pull into severity and I've got a log that looks like this. So I have user Chris, product, sunglasses, my underscore severity is info. Now I want that to be severity. It's really simple. This key here becomes my severity here. And that's it. What will happen is that the parsing rule system will look up and say my severity. Okay, let's look at this. There's the key info, and now severity will be set to info, and it will automatically, Coralogix will automatically recognize that this is an info level log, and so the automatic filters and things will all work beautifully. This is a really simple example. So let's go to something slightly more involved. This is doing the same thing, but from a much more complex log. This is actually severity rules when parsing AWS ELB logs. So there's a lot going on here. And what it does is it actually pulls out status codes and then uses those status codes to work out what the severity of the log should be. So if it's a 2 or 3xx, for example, it'll be info. If it's more severe, it'll like pick a different value. It will actually try and do it's an OR operation. So first thing it does is it tries to match on the AWS ELB status code. Then it will look for a different field and a different field, and it will look for different values as we go. Really clever how it works, because it will actually it's using sort of inference to work out the status code. Really nice example of this. So the JSON extract here, this is one working on ELB logs from AWS. So yeah, the JSON extract is a really simple one. It's essentially take a value out of existing JSON and make it available in Coralogix metadata, so the Coralogix automatic systems work straight away out of the box.